Things to do in Toronto 2021. Toronto is a must-see location in Canada, from the great landscape of the Toronto Islands to the stunning engineering of the CN Tower. Toronto is a cultural diversity with an assortment of compelling, family-friendly attributes, more than only its tall buildings and stunning cityscape. Toronto combines independent museums and an exciting culinary scene, with beautiful streets and welcoming local people, and invites tourists from all over the globe to experience its exceptional balance between the city's great vibes and its welcome. Toronto is a big city and is the wealthiest city in Canada and among the most explored and visited. This is also one of the world's most diverse cities. It is frequently referred to as the City of New York, Canada. Toronto has divided into 6 districts. Nowadays, what is regarded as Old Toronto is divided into 5 different and distinctive districts, each of which is broken down into smaller regions, some of which are distinct enclaves. It is a vast metropolis with plenty to offer visitors, from buildings to renowned yearly events. Watch today's Travel Chase video to learn the best things to do in Toronto amid a dynamic culture of international culture. So stick with us until the end of the video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Travel Chase. Also, hit the bell icon for more updates. Let's get started. See the city from above. The CN Tower is not just the highest building in Toronto, but the highest standing skyscraper on the continent at 553 meters. This is also one of the 7 contemporary world wonders. The CN Tower is equipped with the world's tallest glass panel lift that elevates travelers to its stunning glass floor viewing deck. You may not choose to view the city from over 342 meters if you are afraid of heights. Take a look at the 445-meter high skypod from above the town, with a stunning panoramic perspective. If you want a true heart pump, consider Skywalk, where people stand on a hands-free lead over the town. Take this window seat helicopter tour for all those who wish to fly much higher. Surround yourself with history. The Royal Ontario Museum has been one of North America's top museums and the top location in heritage in Toronto. Moreover, because there's a metro station called the Museum, it is easy enough to find. Museum ROM consists of a collection of 6 million artifacts, many of which may be found in 40 different galleries. Some galleries have a history of nature, many from around the globe. The museum features a vast collection of dinosaur bones, minerals, and fine arts, and design objects, notably from the Art Deco period, as well as artifacts and works of art. There is also a learning area for children and a store for children. Go to an island. The Toronto Islands are a group of tiny islands in Lake Ontario that are a portion of the town. The total number of islands, covering 820 acres, is 13. It has a large park with picnic places, beach, and stunning views, and an adventure park. Center Island is by far the most famous of these islands. Throughout the summertime, it's the best place to visit. A few of the other islands include home to a few of Toronto's earliest residential neighborhoods, while others have prominent yacht clubs. There is even its personal airport in the Toronto Island. Gaze at the Stanley Cup. The Hockey Hall of Fame is a monument devoted to sports history. The Stanley Cup, which is in its Grand Hall, is also displayed. The Hockey Hall of Renown, as its name indicates, is also a fame hall in addition to being a museum. There is an 18-person board that decides who can be a player, trainer, manager, or even commentators to be brought up in the Hall of Fame. 15 exhibitions include trophy and other hockey items at the Hockey Hall of Fame. The 125-person 3D cinema, which displays films, is also available. Experience Old and New. Distillery District, which has lately been renovated and developed, is classified as Canada's National Historic Site and is a distinctive residence and trade sector. Many of the structures here have been transformed into gorgeous structures, stores, restaurants, pubs, and lofts. The city is home to the greatest Victorian industrial architectural collections in North America. It is an excellent spot to dine and buy culturally. There are even some amazing microbreweries here. In the distillery district, all may be located art galleries, jewelry boutiques, and eccentric coffee houses. The region becomes a winter marvel with its world-famous Christmas market in December. Shop until you drop. Toronto offers so many shopping options that it may be intimidating to even the most seasoned shopper. Inside the Toronto Eaton Mall, which is a little bit of a city landmark, many tourists begin shopping. People with extra money will appreciate shopping in the top retail center in Yorkville. The tourists to North York would want to go to Bayview Villages, which boasts one of the city's top vintage wines, as well as home to high-end retailers. Chinatown is the ideal destination for designer gents and inexpensive souvenirs to go to shop. Queen Street West features unique, separate, trendy stores. Stare at marine life. Ripley Entertainment has 3 aquariums, one of which is located in Toronto. The aquarium in central Ripley, with its 5.7 billion gallons of water, shows over 13,500 diverse aquatic creatures. The aquarium has the marine and freshwater species of enormous Pacific octopuses, blue sea turtles, white dotted bamboo sharks, southwestern stingray, and upside-down jelly, all of which are worldwide. The Canadian Ripley Aquarium is divided into 9 galleries with a distinct area or species. Rainbow Beef, presumably because of its participatory dive show, is among the most popular. That's all about today's video. Subscribe to The Travel Chase if you haven't done yet. Do give a like to the video. We will be back with more videos. Stay tuned.